It's on the third floor. That's the entrance, that's the living room. And that's the kitchen. The kitchen is all new. That's the living room. And that's the balcony. There is a view to the sea, and it's 3 minutes from walking, and over there are parks and a synagogue. Here is the pantry. It's a small one. And a big safe room. Mamad. Here is one big bedroom. And then we have the toilet. The toilet is all new. And the water is running. Here we have the laundry. And there is hot water and gas. Here is the second room, third room, very big also, and that's the master bedroom. And from here you can also see the view. And we have another bathroom. It's renovated, it's all new. Overall, the apartment is comparatively big and nice.